Hello, yellow. Don't know. It's been a minute. We haven't posted on YouTube in a while, but we're getting back up on the thing. The weather's getting nice, and so today's video, we're installing the taillights on my E90. During that process, we have a little issue, but I think it's a common problem with the E90's pre-LCI models. Did a little research and find out it's a regular thing. But stay tuned to find out what that problem was if my title didn't already give it away. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Me ting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me ting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, cover live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna switch out this real quick. So these regular bulbs, it's a negative for me. I want the LED bulbs clear, or the white. So I'm pulling this out from the jump. Popping a set of these LEDs white. Yeah. My reverse light is also gonna be white LEDs too. So do a thing. So let me just put this down real quick. I'm gonna switch out this for the LED. Also the smoke. I never really liked the red, full red, so I like this now with the red here, and then the top turn signal will be smoked out. So I get it. Thing. All right. Something up. Let's just prop up this right here. See what I'm doing? Pull this out. Simple enough. Not the other way, it's already out. Alright, then that gives you the access right here to get these screws. 1, 2, and 3 pulls off the tail light. Of course, you just gotta plug this out first. Pull that out, pull these out, put this down, and let's get started. 10, right? So 10. I think this is an 8 mil, I think. That. All right, simple enough. 3 screws are out, or 3 bolts, or whatever you want to call it. Then you just slowly, I'm doing this with one hand still, so I don't want this to really drop out. So let me put this down a little bit, catch the angle. Can I catch it up here? Can you see? Can you see? All right, so I'm gonna put you gotta wiggle it out. Got it out. Yeah, around the edges is not bad. A little bit dirty, but you know what I'm gonna do. Wipe this off before I put on back the new one, so have a clean seal to. Alright, got the new one here. I'm about to pull this off so I can slide this thing in real quick. Alright, because I got the LED, it got all this extra stuff on it, so once you put it in, you just gotta stick this somewhere. You'll be all right. Let me just put that on there for now, like that, so I can actually get it in here. So yeah, see, just gotta adjust it to fit in there, but I'm gonna put the camera down because I can't do that with two hands. I'll be right back. All right, that's the new light on there. I'll give you a little in this. Yeah, we gotta put this to complete the job, but yeah, you see how it's going. Put this in and complete it. It will be fire. Almost done. All right, so process is pretty easy. See right here, basically just screw these back up in there. Find somewhere to put this that it won't be in the way. You probably get a double-sided tape, stick it on here or something. What I'm probably gonna do, most likely, I'm gonna use Velcro, because yeah, I don't want this to be stuck permanently or that difficult. You can use some strong Velcro, stick it there so you can always take it off when you're ready. Yeah, smart job, isn't it? Later. Alright, so this, after taking out the tail light, I realized it was damaged and cracked, and check it out. Looked like the bulb was touching right here and started to make this melt. Look at the result of this. And it cracked and split. And it was happening on this one here as well. So, good thing I ended up getting upgrade and switch out to this. So, hopefully that doesn't happen to this new one. I'm definitely going to switch the bulbs and put some LED ones. They shouldn't be as hot as that. And then, of course, you've seen the LED that I was going to put in there. These, so should be better. Alright, press it.
Let go?
Nope, hold it. You can let go now. Press it again. Alright, so right now we're about to continue. Take out the speaker off of this. Take out the speaker out this side, move some of this junk out of the way. Not really junk, but you know what I mean. Stop this now. Pretty much we're gonna pop this out. So go on. Careful. You're probably not going to be able to see what's going on after I move it here, but basically getting this compartment here. Now if you can see the little compartment, pull this out, get access to the bulbs and also access to where the screws are. Pull this down, probably get a better view. Take another one about that. Alright, so after taking out the driver's side bulb, seem to have the same problem. The housing right here is melting as well and cracked. Same with this one. So I'm thinking the bulbs that the previous person had put in, wattage is too high and producing too much heat. So, well, the good thing, like I said, I switched them out, and hopefully this whole piece is still intact and seemed to be good, but probably the bulb is just too hot. So we're gonna work with it still. Got the new ones in. Both sides. So right now I just gotta put these ones in, and then I'll be pretty much done. So stay tuned. I'll continue on because all of this has to be pulled off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I don't have the tripod with me today, so slowly pulled out these. I got these ones left. Then I just pull the whole thing off. Get to take a look. Boom, bang, bang. You got right tools? It's not much easier. No, that's it. this. So to pull off the inner trunk light, just gotta pull this screw right here and push the whole thing out. That's simple. So let me put this down and continue. So after pulling down the inner tail light, I'm having the same problem with this too. This is burnt as well. So it looked like, yo, the bulbs is just too hot and the wattage is ridiculous. Or unless I got another problem. But I'm gonna check the other side, because I know previously, looking here, it was cracked. You can see the crack line. If you can see it, let me see. It's like a crack, and that's what I kind of noticed. And then the part that holds the bulb in, that was always moving, so I'm feeling that was touching here, what really caused this to melt out, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go take a look at this one, and hopefully we don't have the same problem. And then if that's the case, something is really seriously an issue. So stay tuned. I'm about to go pull that one down and see if that bulb, that bulb and lens thing looks like this one. Hopefully not. So yo, but it's a good thing I did get the new ones, but obviously you don't want the same thing to happen to these that was happening to the old ones. So preventative maintenance. Lucky I found this and see what's going on and try to solve the problem from now. So stay tuned. So after pulling out the other side, this one is burning as well. So my conclusion, this bulb is too hot. And you can see it has a little discoloration on it. I'm going to go a closer look and see what this bulb is running, and that might be too high. Alright, about to put these ones in, then we'll be completely finished. Still trying to figure out why these are like this. I'm just wondering if the wattage of the bulbs are just too high. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Watch, hopefully it doesn't happen to this one, my new ones. And see. Stay tuned. Complete package. This is out. Let me show you how I put these in. Simple enough. Simple as that. But yeah, gotta screw this part off first. I'll move all these things out the way. LED. So now this is moving here. Alright. Leave that there, grab this. Simple as that. Put this in. Good, drop that in. Make sure that's in good. Alright, new ones are in. Check it out. Give you a quick matching up them right there, so that one look alright. Now I just gotta button this thing up, close these back up, fill these back in. I guess y'all can take a look and watch me as I whack. And I will give you a complete visual when I'm done buttoning everything back up. And of course I gotta clean this trunk out, it looks horrible. Stay tuned. Alright, so basically done. It's supposed to be a quick easy job, but nothing ever planned the way you want it. Obviously, seeing that I had little issues with those bulbs, I'm assuming they're just having too much of a heat or high wattage, so they're giving off a lot of heat to melt the old housings. Luckily, I'm saying the time when I'm doing this, I'm switching these out. Looks good though. So it's not just a mod, but you know, also an installation to prevent any worse situation that was happening there. Hopefully I can figure it out. Probably if I put an LED bulb that has a less heat give off, that will solve the problem. But for right now, it seems to be good to go. I don't see extra heat. I just don't understand why the tail lights turn signals were getting so hot, why that area burnt out. The turn signals are not on that long, but whatever. But check it out though. Fire. Give you a little. That's it with the brake lights on. Quick so we can see straight. Alright, so here we go. LED lights here, here, and here. And this is LED as well. The reverse light is LED. I didn't do the rear fog light yet. I'm looking for that bulb still to get the LED version of that. So this one is set up as well. Turn signals are well bright. I like them, but I'm getting a code for this LED. I mean for the turn signal LEDs. These ones are fine because I used the Sylvania Zeros, I think it's called. So we're good to go with that. Yeah, so new lights are in, updated, looking pretty sweet. So these are the bulbs I'm running. Super bright. Yeah, this is it off now. Sure, I'm loving it. I'm loving the new lights still. Alright, we should be good to go, really. I'm gonna watch them and see if these actually burn out, but LEDs put out less heat, so we should be good. Yeah, man. Stay tuned as usual. Got more content coming up.
Me have a bus, yeah, a couple bus, some ras bus, yeah, me ting a bus, me have a bus, yeah, a couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, come we live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside, Titan up the whole place, nice coming. Buzz it, y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet, come me buzz it. People are watching, listen on the blind and deaf, no me buzz it. Them have to pay me attention, cash and check, come me buzz it.